Hello everyone, so let's continue our lesson with our lesson objective 1.2a, represent a complex number in Cartesian forms. So what is a complex number? Actually, complex number were introduced by mathematicians to solve equations such as x squared equals to -1. Such equations have no real solution since there is no real number whose square is a negative number. By introducing I is equals to square root -1, we can solve x squared is equals to -1 or x is equals to plus minus square root -1. That is, the two solutions of x squared equals to -1 are x equals to I and x equals to -I. So basically, untuk complex number ni macam mana boleh diwujud apabila kita nak solvekan satu equation di mana kita involve x squared sama dengan -1. Kita ada negative number. Okay, quadratic is equals to negative number. Okay, then bila kita tengok real number which is square root of -1 tak ada. Sebab kita tak ada square root of negative, kita mesti square root of positive number. Jadi itu baru real number kan. Tapi bila ada square root of negative number, so dia bukan real solution. So that's why lah dia introduce di mana I tu mesti sama dengan square root of -1. Di mana bila kita ada I is equals to square root -1, then barulah kita boleh solvekan x squared sama dengan -1. Okay, so x squared is equal to -1. Bila kita bawa square ni pergi ke sebelah, so dia jadi square root. So that's why lah dia akan jadi sini s is equals to plus minus square root -1, which is akan jadi s equals to I dan s equals to -I. Di mana square root -1 ni digantikan dengan I. These values are complex numbers, so we can conclude that a complex number is an expression of the form a plus bi, where a and b are real number and I is equals to square root -1. It is written as z equals to a plus bi, known as Cartesian form, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. Jadi, kita formkan complex number ni dalam bentuk a tambah bi. Di mana a dengan b tu nilai dia real number lah. Cumanya I je adalah square root of -1. Okay, kemudian kita akan boleh tulis juga dalam bentuk z sama dengan a tambah bi, di mana z sama dengan a tambah bi ni adalah Cartesian form. Okay, kalau suruh buat dalam bentuk Cartesian form, maksudnya kita tahu z sama dengan a tambah bi. Okay, dan a tu adalah refer kepada apa? Dia refer kepada real part. Okay, b refer kepada apa? B tu adalah refer kepada imaginary part. Sebab b ni duduk dengan I. Jadi this one kita namakan dia sebagai imaginary part and this one kita namakan dia sebagai real part. So bila kita nak ambil real part tu nilai dia apa, kita hanya ambil nilai A. Imaginary part tu nilai dia apa, kita hanya ambil nilai B. Okay, sebab I ni dah refer kepada imaginary part. We usually written as real number equals to A and imaginary number is equals to B. So real Z is equals to A, imaginary Z is equals to B. Ini cara tulisan lah. Every real number is a complex number with the imaginary part taking the value 0. Okay, sebenarnya semua real number adalah complex number, tetapi imaginary part dia adalah kosong. Contohnya kalau saya ada nilai 1, so sebenarnya dia adalah 1 plus 0i. Macam tu. Ataupun square root 2. Sebenarnya sama je dengan square root 2 plus 0i. So basically ni setiap real number adalah complex number. Okay, seterusnya. The introduction of complex number extended this number system. The real numbers R now become subset of the complex number set symbol C. Thus, we have n is a subset of integer, is a subset of rational, is a subset of real, is a subset of complex number. So sekarang ni real number dah jadi subset kepada complex number. Okay, so kita tahu n is a subset of integer, is a subset of rational, is a subset of real number, is a subset of complex number.